This map depicts the route we took as we continue our walking tour, leaving the Trevi Fountain with a walk through the side entrance of
Galleria Alberto Sordi.
a rather large mall with massive skylights covering the open area of this retail space. With our tour group assembled, our tour guide points out a few places to get a gelato or sandwich. This short Google Earth flyover takes us from the Trevi Fountain through the side streets to the mall. As we turn the corner right here, we're looking down on the side entrance where we went in. And as we zoom back, you can see the big glass skylights over the whole building nearly, the central part where you walk. Here we are going in the side entrance, and I zoom around to give you an idea of what it looked like from the inside out. Notice the huge stained glass in the ceiling. Here's the other entrance on the other side, also lined with the stained glass. We're heading out to the
Piazza Colonna.
and the 30-meter high military memorial obelisk
Colonna di Marco Aurelio.
with another big fountain in the front called
Fontana di Piazza Colonna.
Panning down the street. We're getting ready to go, and we're heading off towards the Pantheon. You can tell it's very busy on the street.